Today, I'd like to introduce you to an online virtual reality tour creator called Theasys.io. Theasys allows you to create and show very professional-looking VR presentations online, and it has some of the best effects and photo editing features available anywhere. Now, inside Theasys are many different tools and settings, and while it can be a little overwhelming in the beginning, with just a little bit of practice, it actually can become quite easy to use. Now, in this series of videos, I'll be taking you through the basics of how to upload photos, how to add hotspots, how to add different kinds of links and text to your final project, as well as sounds, and how to import video into the VR tour. I hope you find these useful for creating your own work, and let's get started.